How to fix Xbox app error 0x87e00006 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Update Xbox app in Windows. If updates are pending, click Update All. Otherwise, click Get Updates. You can also update the app individually. Wait till a black window shows up, do not close it. Once it's gone, Microsoft Store should restart. Try using the store again. Make sure that Synchronize with an Internet Time Server box is ticked. Click Update Now and OK. Scroll through the list and ensure the following services are running: Windows Update, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, and Xbox Live Networking Service. If any are not running, right-click on the service, select Properties, set the startup type to Automatic, and click Start if the service is stopped. Click OK and close the services window. Restart your computer and check if the issue with the Xbox app persists. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.